Hi everyone, Nishka here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another fun unboxing for you. Before I get started, just quick reminder, go ahead and check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you always know when we've got new content. Today I am so very pleased to present another beautiful collection from Eureka. This month, we are relaunching our beautiful Royal Plumage Collection, which was one of our original collections from way back when we launched them. And we haven't gone back to it, although it was quite popular. Because the original collection was so long ago, some of the items in it are no longer available, so we decided to just remake it. Same color palette, but brand new items. So it's a new revamped version of our Royal Plumage Collection. So without further ado, let's just take a look inside. As always, we have our beautiful packaging with our gorgeous selection of beads and our really nice image insert with our inspiration photo and color palette. And then we have this really nice little paragraph that's just going to take you away and put you in the mood. Inside here is the full list of all of the products that you'll find in the collection. Everything is organized by number. These numbers are on stickers on the products. And here, as always, you find the SKU for the item, so that if you want to purchase it again, you just type this into our search bar on our website and you find the exact item. All of these are also listed in the category for this collection as well. Now let's get to the beads. All right, let me get all this stuff organized and we will go through it one item at a time. By the way, don't mind my henna. I hope it's not too distracting during this unboxing. I just got back from a trip to India and I had this done without considering that I would have to do an unboxing when I came back. But I also think that it turned out to be absolutely perfect and on theme for this collection, since peacocks are considered royal birds in India as well, and they're a pretty popular motif. So we're doing royal plumage with a little bit of extra decoration on the hands. Let's talk about beads. All right, so first up we have 4 tubes of seed beads. We have Tohos in 11-0 in round. We have Tohos in 11-0 triangle shape. And we also have 2 tubes of the Miyuki in round 11-0s and drop beads. These are 3.4 millimeter drop beads. What I really like about this selection of colors here is that they're all very, very close in color, but they have some variability. And this is this kind of like variegated, irisy, blue-green color that I just absolutely love. And it definitely brings out that peacock thing, right? So as always, our Toho tubes are going to be full to the brim because they're sold by tube, but our Miyuki tubes are sold by weight and they are not always full. So if you see your tubes are partially empty, that's just totally normal for the Miyukis. All right, next up, check glass. All right, first let's talk about our check glass in tubes. We have beautiful Toho gem duos, 2-hole super duos in 2 colors, and then also some 2-hole mini duos, which are super duos but smaller. So same look but smaller, as you can see the difference here. And these are so beautiful. I love the wide selection of colors that we have available in our multi-hole beads. And super duos especially are some of the most popular 2-hole beads out there that you can use in all sorts of beautiful patterns that you can find at EurekaCrystalBeads.com. Besides the check beads that come in tubes, we also have several check beads on strands. We have 3 different strands actually. So here we have a 6mm fire polish strand of 25 beads in this beautiful saturated metallic green color. We also have this round druck bead strand of 8mm in another really good green color, and then druck beads in our beautiful saturated metallic blue over here, and these are 6mm. So the 6mm is a strand of 50, and the other 2 have 25 on the strand. All right, next up is our Preciosa bicones in this amazing, beautiful color combination, this mix is made exclusive for this collection using beautiful colors that are found basically in peacock feathers. So this is our wonderful mix. It comes with 72 4mm bicones, and the colors are just stunning. And look at that sparkle. Love it. All right, next up we have our Krakowski crystal selection, which includes beautiful stones, a strand of Krakowski pearls, and a length of Krakowski rhinestone chain. So let's take a look at these up close. All right, here is this absolutely gorgeous strand of pearls. So, such a deep, deep color and such beautiful pearlescent shine here. This is a 4mm pearl, and you get 100 on this strand. Next are our beautiful crystals from Krakowski as well, including a stunning, hard to find 16mm cushion stone in this beautiful, brilliant blue. Look at that sparkle. We also have these chatons in 8mm, and this is a nice gold to contrast with the blue. And you get 4 of these. And also you have these beautiful, brilliant, color variated green, blue rivolis, and these are 14mm. So much sparkle. And finally, our crystal cup chain, and it's a 1 foot of this beautiful sparkly cup chain. From Krakowski. And finally, we have our beautiful selection of findings from tiny, tiny spacers from Tierra Cast to these settings for 14mm rivolis, so perfect for the ones that are in this collection. You also have a 2-foot length of Rolo chain in gold, 2 kinds of earrings. You have lever backs, which are perfect for making sure that you never lose your earring. And we also have your classic earrings with the shepherd's hook, as well as a bar and toggle clasp in this really fancy style. By the way, have you checked out our TikTok? because we have so much fun, cool stuff happening over there. You should definitely go on our TikTok at Eureka Crystal Beads and give us a follow. You are totally going to love all of the fun content we're making for you over there in the short formats. All right, so that is our beautiful, brand new, remade Royal Plumage Beads collection from Eureka Crystal Beads. And thank you so much for joining me and watching through to get a look at what's inside. Hopefully you guys really like this. For those who missed out on the original, you can totally grab this one. And for those who have the original, you'll find that a lot of items have changed. So you certainly can also pick up this version as well. So thanks for joining me, and we will see you next time. Bye.